Spoke too soon, unraveling the phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, spoke too soon. This phrase is a fantastic example of English idiomatic expression, and understanding it can really boost your conversational skills. So, let's get started. Spoke too soon is an idiomatic phrase used to indicate that someone has made a statement or assumption that turned out to be incorrect because new information has emerged. It's often used in situations where someone expresses confidence or certainty about something, only to be proven wrong almost immediately. For example, imagine saying, "It looks like it's not going to rain today," but then it starts pouring rain moments later. In this case, you spoke too soon. To help you grasp the phrase better, let's look at some everyday scenarios. Scenario 1. You're watching a football game, and you say, "Our team is definitely going to win." However, the opposing team scores a goal right after you say this. You could then say, "I guess I spoke too soon." Scenario 2. At work, you tell your colleague, "The boss seems to be in a good mood today." But then, your boss walks in looking upset. Your colleague might respond, "You spoke too soon." It's important to use "spoke too soon" in the right context. Here are some tips. It's usually used in casual conversations. It's often used retrospectively, after realizing that what you said was not correct. The phrase can sometimes have a humorous or ironic tone. There are variations of this phrase that convey a similar meaning. For example, "I guess I counted my chickens before they hatched." "I jumped the gun." These phrases also imply making a premature conclusion or decision. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, spoke too soon. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions can be a fun way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.